You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.
It's time for us to decorate some gingerbread.
My fur is brown, so I'm going to decorate my gingerbread with some brown icing. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Ah.
Wow, looking good, Dodge. It's very neat and tidy as well. Good work.
Thanks. Right, now I just need a little nose. Oh, George, could you help me with that?
Of course, Dodge. Here you go,
Thanks.
here's your nose.
Yeah, that is looking very nice.
Yeah.
And now, Dodge, I think you need some eyes and a mouth as well.
Yeah.
So if we start here with one, just like that. What comes after one?
2.
Yeah, very good. And then a mouth underneath.
A nice smile.
I'm gonna try. There we go. And then this bit here, just like so. There we go.
Yay! Oh, Ben, look. Don't forget my lovely shiny red collar.
Just here, and then there we have it.
Oh, yeah.
What do you think, Dodge?
Oh, Gingerbread Dodge is finished.
You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.